This is the Jeep JL rear hardtop light bar kit, now updated with the all-new Stage Series SS30. If you're not familiar, this kit mounts one Stage Series light bar directly above the rear glass of your JL hardtop, giving you a wide area of rear illumination for the trail, campsite, or wherever you need it. Plus, it's bolt-on with no cutting or drilling required. If you already know this product, the bracket hasn't changed, but the light bar, that's been completely rebuilt. Hey everyone, John here from Diode Dynamics. This is our updated rear hardtop light bar kit designed specifically for the 2018 through 2026 Jeep JL Wrangler. Let's talk about it. The original Stage Series light bars were already among the best on the market, but the new SS30 was re-engineered from the ground up. Unlike reflectors, TIR optics capture and focus nearly all of the light output, directing it exactly where you need it. The flood optic included with this kit provides a uniform, even illumination with a broad 100 by 80 degree spread of light. It's perfect to use as a backup light, lighting up anything at low speed, or for trailers, campsites, and work areas. These new optics provide better beam quality and more intensity than the previous generation, but the real question is, which output color is right for you? White gives you maximum raw output, ideal for campsite lighting, recovery scenes, and general rear visibility. Yellow cuts through dust, rain, and fog, the go-to for serious trail and desert use. No matter which option you choose, Stage Series LED light bars use 6000K cool white emitters, so changing the color output or the pattern is just a simple lens swap away. The new SS30 also features an integrated amber backlight. This gives you an additional accent light alongside the main beam, perfect for those following you on the trail or just to add some extra style. You can choose from two power levels. Sport gives you a strong, efficient output, and Pro steps it up for more power, and copper circuit boards for better thermal management. One of the best things about the brackets in this kit is that your rear glass works exactly as it should. The bracket is designed around the OEM-style hardtop geometry. Installation is bolt-on. No cutting, no drilling, no fabrication. Already running the original rear hardtop light bar kit? Good news, the existing brackets carry right over. All you need is the new SS30 and the updated UHD harness. Upgrade your setup today for better output and significantly more intensity, all without replacing the bracket. And if you're building out the full rear lighting setup, this pairs perfectly with our hitch mount reverse light kit, JL LED taillights, and the D-switch for in-cab control of everything. This kit is now available at diodedynamics.com, or you can use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you've got questions about Sport versus Pro, white or yellow output, feel free to drop a comment down below, or don't hesitate to reach out to our in-house customer service team. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications. Thanks for watching.